Oh yeah, it's gonna hurt.
I'm eating a fucking sandwich and we came home right now from like a fucking fucked up ass night. And Amber's gonna get her fucking tattoo, dog, isn't she?
I'm sorry.
How's your face? How you do feel? How do
I
you
got this
feel?
one first. Look.
How do you feel?
You recognize this right here?
What's up,
Beautiful.
nigga? What's up, nigga? That's what's up. We just smoked a bunch of weed and we're about to get fucking Amber's tattoo cracking. What's up, bitches?
I'm like excited by it, like.
This bitch loves tattoos. It's no joke.
I get very excited about it.
Yeah, just don't.
Vanessa, now you gotta hold my hand.
Dipping and sipping,
Shut up,
dipping and sipping. Bitch, I'm trying to get a fucking, what is it called?
Shut up.
A singing point of view. Dipping and sipping, dipping and sipping, dipping.
Charlie, but virgin hot, you mean? Kind of buzzed.
Loose off the goose.
Stop.
Trust me, we have like low tolerance.
I do.
Like $25 half ounces.
I'll be down for that.
Yeah. So we're making a video, and